Hello and welcome to Motionology. In this video, we will change this kind of boring vector into this really kind of interesting illustration using just 3 images that we're going to use to achieve this effect. This image and this image and this image. You can find these or something similar to these in the internet if you do just a little research, and you will be good. So the first thing that we're going to do is to create some colors for the background. The second thing obviously is to change this color of our vector to white. So I do have it separated in this layer. So let's just choose it. And we do have the color white in the foreground color. Let's just hit Alt, Shift, and Backspace. Now we do have it in the color white, and that's what we want. The second thing that we will do is to draw these lines that comes from the hair. So let's just do it. Let's just grab the pen tool. So let's just draw these lines really quickly. All right, the next thing that we will do is to make sure that we do have a small brush. Let's just say 30. And then let's just grab the pen tool, right click and stroke path, brush, and make sure that this simulate pressure is checked on, and then hit OK. Now we do have these lines. Let's just right click again and delete the paths. So let's just go back to the background and make it a little bit interesting. So let's just create a new layer in here. And then let's just grab this brush, make it very wide, and then let's just click in the middle, and then let's just change the blending mode to overlay maybe. That's cool. And let's just create another layer, and just do this kind of vignette effect. Let's just do that with a gradient. The second thing, let's just grab one of these textures and make the mouth effect. Now let's just do the eyes really quickly. We're gonna use this kind of dots. So let's do that. Now let's just do the hair effect and this part of this image effect, and let's just do that using this texture again. So let's just grab it. All right, and then let's just create a mask layer, fill it up with black, and now let's just change to white, and then grab this brush tool and then just paint over the areas that we want this texture to appear. So let's just do that really quickly. And finally, let's just grab this texture and put it on top of everything and just change the blending mode to subtract. So this is it for this kind of really cool effect in Photoshop. If you like this one, please subscribe, share, leave a comment, and maybe like this video if you really like it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.